breakfast buffet. So we're gonna have our breakfast. I'm with my mama. At my mom. I love her OOTD. Ganda! Hi guys, we are back in our room and we are gonna go down in a bit. Just gonna show you my outfit because I really like it. White top, pants, and then clothes shoes.
But maybe a little close to that number.
Gawa kami ng ice cream.
Skim milk.
Trying so hard not to like you. There's so much there to like. The minute that you feel
She's a chef or something.
yeah, but the timing isn't right. So I'ma just let go, let go. You've seen us more than friends, and I'ma just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe. No, I'm not gonna wait, but I'll never be too late. You're into faith and I'm into fate, so I'ma give it some space, cause love ain't a race.
Can't bring it home.
Maybe someday we'll find a way between love and lust, respect and pray. Put the kettle on after we walk in the morning sun. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna let go, let go.
We are at the Blue Pond. I think mabilis na kami dito, like 45 minutes to an hour. Very fashion. Dapat dito nasa runway ito eh. Oh, ang ganda. Food color ba yan? Pabalik na kami ng bus. Magto-toilet muna. Then we go to the bus.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they want.
Oh, may butterfly oh. May butterfly. Ganda.
We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs.
Wala, ang ganda.
With our best moves we get groovy. My oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na.
Room tour. 2 single beds. Then may ganito. May cart kami ulit. So dito naman ipapark. Tapos ito yung view. Nasa Hell Valley kami. TV, desk, lalagyan ng maleta. CR na haunted. Okay. dinner. Grabe, ang dami. Parang bibi tayo ng bukas. Update after dinner. Tomorrow, mag-transfer na naman kami sa another hotel. Kasi one night na naman ulit kami dito. Ayun. Kaya ngayon nag-aasikaso ako ng maletas. Kasi napupuno na sila ng mga souvenir. On our way down to eat breakfast. On our way down. Karina naman. Iced coffee kahit wala namang iced coffee. So we are in Hell Valley. Serious naman.
I want a new game or new clothes. Buy something to fill the hole. It quickly satisfies. For a minute then it dies. I want some new toys to fill the void. Drown me in material.
Okay, so actually, ang haba pa ng parang pwedeng malakaran dito. Like, abot doon. But, tinatamad na kami to go down because mabilis lang naman kami dito. And, think ko nakuha na namin yung picture na gusto namin.
That's typically me, spending money to feel free. And I try to tell myself no, but then I do it all again when my dopamine is low. So sometimes I think that I am dumb and I am destined for nothing. And I will keep making stupid decisions that ruin my life. Sometimes I think that I need some time away from my own mind. So I won't keep making stupid decisions for the rest of my life. I keep making, I keep making stupid decisions. I wanna black out, lose control, spending out with someone I don't know, or lose myself online and waste my precious time. And I try to tell myself no, but sometimes I think that I am dumb and I am destined for nothing. And I will keep making stupid decisions that ruin my life. Sometimes I think that I need some time away from my own mind. So I won't keep making stupid decisions for the rest of my life. I keep making, I keep making,
May masyado nagtagal ni Mother. After naman makita yung bears and yung race, bababa na kami. Kasi we are supposed to meet ng 11 and it's already 10:12.
I wanna get lost, I don't wanna care about the cost. Cause sometimes I think that I am dumb and I am destined for nothing. And I will keep making stupid decisions that ruin my life. Sometimes I think that I need some time away from my own mind. So I won't keep making. Yeah, we did all that we could. Some souls, some are meant to be together forever. Cause no matter how hard we try, we'll just live inside of a lie. Some days are bad while others are better, but nothing can save us now. The clock's ticking, the timer now.
Nasa K-drama pero nasa Japan pala. So Japanese drama.
But give me just one last kiss and let me make one more wish. I wish that I could show you a heart made of love, a heart made of promises. I don't wanna give us up, but I wish that I could show you.
For the tired, nakabuelo kami sa pagpipicture kasi super konti lang ng tao dito. And yung mga kasama namin mag-tour, nanood sila ng show. Kami di na kami nanood kasi magpipicture na lang kami.
Way out of the woods, I wish we had the answers.
I got matching float. Sarap. Legit matcha.
Yeah, we did all that we could. I hear
For the madam, ang aking model.
I'm gonna miss the sound of having you around the house. We pack your stuff, label every box while waiting for your father. Then we make a joke about how we're gonna live without each other. Let go of the questions, hold on to the lessons we'll take away from this. But give me just one last kiss and let me make one more wish. I wish that I could show you a heart made
Lunchtime. Dinner with my mom. Ay, dinner. Dinner ka dyan. Lunch.
I don't know how I'm gonna get through my days, and I don't know how.
Tour. So, upon entering, eto agad. Mga slippers, and then laundry basket. And then, instead of a cabinet, meron na lang ditong parang sampayan. And then, dito, cart talaga kasi tatlo yung maleta namin, diba? So, para every time, since one night kami palagi sa isang hotel, iniwan talaga namin yung cart dito para hindi na hassle. So, this one is parang yung sink area. May ref sa baba. Dito na yung towels and other stuff. And then, 2 single beds again. TV. Ito yung lalagyan ng mga maleta. May table and chairs. And our view. Hello! So, I'm going to eat strawberries. Ito yung binili namin ni Mama nung nag-stop over kami kanina. Oh my gosh. Gustuhan ito ni Papa. So, we're gonna go down for dinner. Ganda ng hotel natin. Finally. For the past few days, para kami nasa liblib.
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you're safe. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms.